Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.68 trillion. We're up 9.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing green across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, but mainly Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is up 12% in just the last 24 hours. If you guys watched my video earlier today, so far everything is going as planned, so very exciting times indeed, but we still need to pay close attention to Bitcoin's price, and then we will get excited. We still need to hit specific price targets, which we will get into later in this video. All right, if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, like I said, we are seeing some green across the board. Majority of the altcoins, guys, are not outpacing Bitcoin right now due to the fact that BTC dominance has been increasing very sharply. And usually when we do see Bitcoin go up 12%, we do see altcoins outpace Bitcoin. That is not the case right now. Obviously, some altcoins are outpacing it, but majority are not as of now. But today, guys, I want to look further into Polygon. Alright, if we're looking at Polygon's price right now, guys, we are currently trading at $1.46. We're up 4.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down 6.4% in BTC comparative. We're also down 2.1% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. As I mentioned, BTC dominance is going up and majority of the altcoins are not outpacing Bitcoin as of now. Current rank for Polygon is top 16. Market cap right now is $9.18 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $1.6 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, let's please keep this in mind. This is why I always like sharing this with you guys, so we get a better perspective as to what is going on. In just the last year alone, Matic is still up 6,976%. We can round it off to 7,000% in just the last 1 year alone. In the last 14 days, we are down 20.7 percent. I'm sorry. But again, this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. We know what has been going in the markets for quite a while, especially the last 3 weeks. But Matic is still one of the top performing assets in the cryptocurrency space in this bull cycle. So some sort of consolidation is very much needed before we do continue to see some upwards trend. But I wanted to share this with you guys, and then we will get right into the charts. As you guys can see, daily transactions, Polygon surpasses the Binance Smart Chain. This is very insane, guys. This goes to show how fast the ecosystem for Matic Polygon is growing and how mass adoption is really coming to the project itself slowly but surely. So this is a very bullish indicator, and this goes to show the level of interest there really is building up in Polygon. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I believe this is quite a very interesting. But now let's deep dive into the charts for Matic and see what exactly is going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, let me zoom out and we can get look at a better picture as to what exactly is going on. So we had this drop. You guys know what caused this drop. Initial drop that on May 19th, when we did see Bitcoin have a crash down to $30,000. We saw Matic fall back down to 73.4 cents. But you guys know Matic was one of the coins in the altcoin market that recovered a very fast, while there was a lot of fear across the board. But despite that fact, we did see a very sharp recovery towards the upside. If you managed to pick some Matic up around here, you would have seen gains in just a couple days of 232.10%. Obviously, since then, guys, we have retraced quite a bit. If I do bring out the I'm sorry, if I do measure it from the rally that we just saw a couple weeks ago to current prices, we are down 41%. But again, guys, let's keep in mind we came up 7,000% in just the last year alone. You guys know me on my channel. I always say nothing is gonna go up straight forever, and I'm sorry, not Cardano. Matic is one of the coins that had an insane rally. So a lot of people got very wealthy. But again, there's going to be some time that comes around where we will see some sort of consolidation occur. And obviously, we did have a sharp decline for Bitcoin's price, which caused us to fall quite significantly. But we did bounce back up very quickly. And right now, as of recording this video, we are sitting in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. What I would personally like for Matic to do is get back above this level of support, because I want us to trade sideways in this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. As you guys can see, we have built up quite a bit support around those levels. I would not be surprised if we do get above this in the next coming hours, but all eyes should be on Bitcoin right now, and along with BTC dominance. But as you guys can see, this support around here at this $1.19 is playing very crucially. And we did wick down here a couple of times, but it did not manage to fall back into the 78.6, and we have been bouncing towards the upside and trying to get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. This might be playing as a level of resistance for us in the immediate short term, but I do not see Matic having any problems getting back into those 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level in the next coming day or so. But again, we need to keep a very close eye on Bitcoin charts. Talking about Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin charts, and then we will come and make a conclusion as to what is the most possible likelihood scenario that could occur for Matic in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at Bitcoin's price right now, wow, Bitcoin has been doing something very interesting, and so far I am getting very excited. But my confirmation, if you guys can go, please take 5 minutes out of your time to go watch this Cardano video. I explained Bitcoin's movement around here so you guys can see what's going on, and so far everything is playing out as we have predicted. As you guys can see, I did say $40,000 is the confirmation where I will believe that yes, markets are indeed heading towards the upside. And you guys can see we literally almost touched $40,000, but we're unable to. That's how crucial that level of support is. If we are able to break above $40,000 in the next couple hours, then basically that is a confirmation for myself that yes, things are starting to look very nice, and we are indeed headed towards the right direction towards these price targets, especially this $43,175 and most importantly this $46,600 mark. But we need to break above $40,000 for me to get excited. We are seeing volume kick in for Bitcoin, so everything is looking very nice. And also, one thing I want to point out for you guys is the weekend is coming to an end now. Some countries, it's already Monday, and you guys know CME futures are closed on the weekends, and that's why we tend to see a lot of manipulation occur during the weekends. But this time, guys, bears are running out of major steam. As you guys can see, they were unable to push the price of Bitcoin towards the downside. We did see Bitcoin fall to $34,597, but we came back up, and so far everything is looking very nice. But we still need to break above 40,000, and I believe it's game on. And there's a high chance of us getting back to these price targets, and we need to stay above here for me to be bullish that yes, the bottom is in and markets are indeed heading towards the upside. But obviously, there's still a chance for a fake out. This could be a fake out. Markets could tumble towards the downside. Even if we do see downwards momentum, I do not want Bitcoin to break below $36,100 mark. I would like for us to trade within here and gradually move towards the upside. Obviously, you guys know the last life support for Bitcoin is around this $33,200 mark. We do not want to break this at all, because if we do break this, guys, and are unable to close above it, there's a high chance of us to go below 30K, and this entire higher lows pattern that we are seeing right now occur in the markets will be invalidated. As you guys can see, we are seeing clear higher lows pattern occurring. This is a clear indicator that markets are indeed headed towards the upside and going towards recovery. And one thing I want to point out as well is that we are seeing a lot of consolidation occurring in Bitcoin's price, which is very, very healthy in my opinion. So what could this mean for Matic? Now you may be asking, CryptoZX, what is going to happen with Matic if Bitcoin does hit $46,600 mark? Like I said, I would not be surprised if we get a little bit of buying pressure kick in. A BTC dominance does go towards the downside. We still need to be monitoring Bitcoin dominance charts very closely. But if that were to happen, guys, I would not be surprised if we even break above 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and get into this 38.2 zone. That is my price target for the immediate short term. That would be around $1.80, between $1.51 to $1.80. A very strong likelihood to occur, but still all eyes should be on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is ready to rumble. But I am not going to be getting, my confirmation is at that $40,000 mark. We need to break above it, and I think things are going to start looking very nice. Obviously, downwards pressure could kick in as well. This could be a fake out if this does tend to play out. So far, it's not looking like a fake out, guys, but we never know. If this is a fake out, then yes, we could tumble towards the downside. I do not want us to break below this level of support at this $1.19. If the drop is quite significant, then yes, we could possibly fall below to the 78.6 zone. But so far, I believe that the bullish indicator is outweighing the bearish indicator as of now, but anything can change. And if anything does change, I will come and update you guys right off the bat. But remember, guys, Matic is one of the best performing assets this year alone. We are growing as a community very, very fast. There's a lot of hype coming into it, and it's expanding day by day. And I have just showed you guys a chart that we have crossed a Binance Smart Chain in transactions, and right now we're only sitting at 2 billion worth of Polygon Matic being staked right now. Only 22.81% of Polygon is being staked right now, guys, and that really does I believe that this number is only going to get bigger as Matic Polygon grows, and if that happens, guys, literally it's going to be more scarce in a way. Now you may be asking how. So basically it would be harder for people to purchase Polygon Matic tokens because there will be less on exchanges as this number rises. So right now only 22.8% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. As like I said, this project grows, more investors come into it, we will see this number rise, and this could create a supply shock occurring in Matic. And I do believe in the vision even further than this bull run. Obviously, this bull run, there might be a peak, and we cannot predict the peak. We just have to have an exit strategy in place. But people that are in it for the long haul, they're just staking. They don't care about the current prices. They're just staking, earning rewards, and looking at the long term, because long term, guys, sky's the limit for a project like Matic, Polygon Matic. And you always have to invest where you can afford to lose. I always say that to you guys. Always invest where you can afford to lose. Never throw your life savings into crypto. I cannot stress this enough. And always do your own due diligence before investing in these markets. And lastly, if we're looking at Google Trends on Matic, guys, we did have a spike, obviously, but we had seen searches fall towards the downside. But we are seeing some sort of sideways momentum occurred. But obviously, you guys know what has been going on. The market sentiment is not so bullish, but as markets do tend to go towards the upside, I would not be surprised if we do see all-time highs in searches very, very soon. And one thing I want to point out to you guys is, look, guys, Bitcoin is trading at $39,611. I would not be surprised after uploading this video we break above this $40,000 mark, and I get the confirmation that yes, things are starting to look very, very nice for Bitcoin. But with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's content around here. Thank you so much for all my supporters showing me so much support, each and every one of you guys. that show me so much support. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I do this for you guys. So always remember that your support is greatly appreciated and it does not get unnoticed. And also, please like, comment, and subscribe. This does help my channel grow and get my videos to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. And with that being said, stay safe out there. Safety, health, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.